Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in Protaras. There's Lidl's by the sea. We call it Lidl's by the sea because it's not far from the sea, as opposed to the one in Paralimni. And this is the Sunrise Oasis, virtually finished. Wow, look at this, looking spectacular. Lots and lots of vans around. Looks like landscape gardeners are in. Oh, nice soil. Oh, lovely plants. Look at these beautiful plants everywhere. Oh, look what they've done to the wall. That's clever. I do like that. That's like pebbles in resin. That's beautiful. Really nice. I thought we were just going to paint it, but no. Pebbles with resin. That looks really, really good. Go around the front, shall we? See what's going on. As I said, they're just finishing off now. A few vans loading up their equipment and their bits and pieces. Ah, they're just finishing off the wall as well. Look, just doing the wall. Let's go around here. So guys, what have they done this year? Well, they've got a brand new reception area there on the right hand side. I'll show you in a bit. Actually, let's go down the new path. Ooh, posh. And they've added new floors, and now the hotel is straight. Can you see from one side to the other? Before there was a gap. So we got these two new floors up there, all finished, all painted, scaffoldings down, all tidy. Look at the lovely new flooring. Look at this, block paving everywhere. Look at that, really tidy, isn't it? Oh, let's go and have a look at the gardens. Yeah, we've got new plants arrived. Look out for the video of my garden, by the way, guys. I will be updating you yet again on my garden. There, so we've got a new area here. I'm not sure what that's for actually. Anyway, we've got a new area here. I don't think it's for parking. I'm not sure what that's going to be for, guys. Maybe it's going to be a new little football pitch, because they were talking about a football pitch, so that might be the new little football pitch there. So they're just going to fence that round. But look at the lovely plants. Now that was a guess about the football pitch, by the way, guys. Don't take that literally. All the lovely pavings down, as I say. Looks like the tilers are just finishing off reception area. I think they're grouting today. So that's nearly finished. Oh, a bit of block paving left. Oh, lovely flowers over there as well. Let me go around the side and show you what went on the previous years. We've got brand new swimming area. I think it's an adult only area. And then we've got, of course, that brand new water park. Lovely flowers, aren't they? Oh look, all laid out. Some are still in the pots. Look, they're laying them out in the right positions. Looks like the window frames are up at the top, guys. They're just putting the last of the windows in. They've just arrived. Let's go around the side and have a look at the new pool area. I say new, guys, I think it was a couple of years ago as it goes. Oh, it looks like the cleaners are in as well, tidying up all the bushes, tidying up the new area. I'm going to call it a new area anyway, because it's relatively new, isn't it? So this is the brand new pool with a swim up pool bar. They're just filling up the pool now with fresh water, putting out the sunbeds, and I think they're jet washing them as well. They've jet washed this lovely surface, or you can hear that jet wash going off. There's the brand newish water park. Let me show you that. Let me get out of the way. Looks like some more sunbeds are coming out. There we are. Sunbeds coming out. There's the water park. Brilliant, isn't it, guys? Absolutely wonderful. Great location, by the way. Looks like the main swimming pool's being filled. Yeah, that's been filled at the moment. Oh, lovely fresh water. Look at that. Beautiful. Yep, nearly full up. Massive pipe, isn't it, to fill it up. There we are. So we've got the newish pool area, and of course another swim up pool bar. Is that new, that area there? Not too sure, guys. No, I think it was there before. There we are, quite newish. A decking area with lots of shade to enjoy a slow beer. And look, there's a brand new 2 stories. You can see that this side and the other side is actually level now. There we are. You can see all the windows are in fact, on the first new level you can see curtains in the rooms, so they're all finished. Looks like the cleaners are at the top level cleaning all the glass, so they're all finished, all done. Let's go down the slope. I do like a slope. So 2 new stories, all completed, all done, ready for the season. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. That's towards the kids' little water park. Let's go up here, down up the other slope. I'm in a little bit of a kerfuffle, aren't I? Getting too excited because here comes the season. Look, that was the kids' pool, see? There we are. Let's go up this way. Yeah, back up this way. And then what I'll do, I'll go towards Lidl's, guys, and we'll have a look at the new reception area. I bet that's beautiful. I do like this pool as well, the adults only pool. I love those tiles they used, and this beautiful surface, this pebbles with resin. That'd be nice in my garden. There we are. Oh yeah, he's jet washing the sunbeds. Right, round the access area. This is just for employees only, by the way. Looks like it's got a little lift as well for all the supplies that come in. It's a good idea. Here's the window, people. Just putting the last of the windows in. I think the frames are in. Yeah, the frames are in. These are just the windows. There, right at the top floor. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to put in. As you can see, the window frames are in. Right, we'll go down the far end and then have a look at new reception area, shall we? There we are. Right, let's go over here. Round we go. Oh, more new plants. Look at all this. This is the brand new reception area, guys. Oh look, they're just finishing off. Look, they've put that window in and they're just finishing off. It's cleaning it. The window is just cleaning it. It goes round here somewhere. Might be able to get a glimpse of it. There it is. This is all the brand new reception area, guys. It's going to be massive inside. Can't get inside at the moment, but in a couple of weeks time we will go inside and have a look around when it's fully opened. Loads of furniture turning up as well, so loads of things going on, just finishing little jobs. Oh, got new fencing as well. Everything's brand new. Some more landscaping going on there. There's a new reception area all the way around there. As I said, they've got the windows in and everything now. It's finished, so we'll go in later, guys, when they're all out the way. There's lots of people in and out, putting furniture in. There's decorators in there touching up a little bit here and there, and there is lots and lots going on. So we'll do that in a couple of weeks time. As I say, you can see the new floors up there. Oh, it does step down a little bit there at the front. Anyway, that's that. We can see the side of the building that was all painted a few years ago, so it really is looking spectacular and in time. Look at that, gonna be open on time for the beginning of the season. How about that, guys? Keep saying that all the time, don't I, when I go round in construction sites throughout the winter. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.